Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation. 4 to the power 4k minus 4k squared is equal to k squared minus k. Our job is to find all possible values of k. So let's start. We can rewrite this equation as 4 to the power, we write this negative 4k squared first, negative 4k squared plus this 4k is equal to k squared minus k. Next, 4 to the power, from these two terms we can factor out negative 4. In bracket left, k squared minus k is equal to k squared minus k. Now we can rewrite this expression at the left hand side as 4 to the power negative 4 whole to the power this power k squared minus k is equal to k squared minus k. Now by using this property, a to the power negative n is equal to 1 over a to the power n. We can rewrite this 4 to the power negative 4 as 1 over 4 to the power 4 whole to the power this power k squared minus k is equal to k squared minus k. Next, 1 divided by 4 to the power 4 will become 256 whole to the power this power k squared minus k is equal to k squared minus k. Now we suppose that let k squared minus k is equal to x. So the equation will become 1 over 256 whole to the power x is equal to x. Now we take power 1 over x on both sides. This will become 1 over 256 whole to the power x is equal to x, and we take power 1 over x on the right hand side, and we take power 1 over x on the left hand side. By using this property of exponents, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. We multiply this power x by this 1 over x, so this x will be cancelled out with this x, and at left hand side we are left with 1 over 256 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now this 1 over 256 can be written as 1 over 4 to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Since 1 is equal to 1 to the power 4, so we can rewrite this expression as 1 to the power 4 divided by 4 to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now this expression at the left hand side can be written as 1 over 4 whole to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 1 over x, and 4 can be written as 1 over 4. So we can rewrite this expression at the left hand side as 1 over 4 whole to the power, we write this 4 as 1 over 4 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now if we compare left hand side with the right hand side, we notice that at left hand side we have base 1 over 4, and at right hand side we have base x, and in the exponent at left hand side we have 1 over 4, and at right hand side we have 1 over x. So it is obvious that x is equal to 1 over 4. So recall that we have supposed that k squared minus k is equal to x. We have supposed that k squared minus k is equal to x. So x is 1 over 4. This will become k squared minus k is equal to 1 over 4. And we multiply both sides by 4. Left hand side we multiply by 4. So this 4 will be cancelled out with this 4, and we are left with distribute this 4 times k squared, 4k squared, 4 times negative k, negative 4k is equal to 1. Move this 1 to the left hand side. This will become 4k squared minus 4 times k minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and can be solved by completing the square. We can rewrite this 4k squared as 2k whole squared, and we can rewrite this negative 4k as negative 2 times 2k times 1. It means that to complete the square we add here 1 and we subtract 1, and this remaining negative 1 is equal to 0. By using this algebraic identity, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b whole squared. This expression 2k squared minus 2 times 2k times 1 plus 1 will become 2k minus 1 whole squared, and this negative 1 minus 1 will become negative 2 equal to 0. Move this negative 2 to the right hand side. This will become 2k minus 1 whole squared is equal to 2, and we take square root of both sides. So this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and we are left with 2 times k minus 1 equal to plus minus root 2. Move this negative 1 to the right hand side. This will become k is equal to 1 plus minus root 2 divided by 2. It means that from here we get two values of k. K is equal to 1 plus root 2 divided by 2, and the second value of k is equal to 1 minus root 2 divided by 2. This is first and this is second value of k. So we have two solutions for this equation. 1 plus root 2 over 2, and the second is 1 minus root 2 over 2.